Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. I don't know who was that. Just ran by and screamed. Okay. Come on, I need like a big lightning strike. Come on. Okay, should be. Okay. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. This is. Anyways, folks, this is one wild week. It's thundering, it's pouring. And I got like a low warnings, two flow, okay, one. Spreading.
The National Weather in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Doddridge County in West Virginia, North Central Gilmer County in West Virginia, North Central Jackson County in West Virginia, Pleasants County in West Virginia. This includes St. Mary's, Ritchie County in West Virginia. This includes Harrisville, Tyler County in West Virginia. This includes Middlebourne, Northern Wood County in West Virginia. This includes Elizabeth, Wood County in West Virginia. This includes Parkersburg, Athens County. This includes Nelsonville, Gloucester, Coolville, Athens, Albany, Northern Jackson County. This includes Wellston, Jackson, Meigs County. This includes Rutland, Fort Drum State Park, Southern Morgan County. This includes Chester Hill, Southern Perry County. This includes Shawnee, Vinton County. This includes MacArthur, Lake Hope State Park, Washington County. This includes Marietta, Beverly, Belper, until 2:30 a.m. Thursday at 8:15 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from repeated thunderstorms over the warned area. Thunderstorms are expected to continue over the next couple of hours across the warned area, with an additional inch of rain possible. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sisters Hill. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Please report high water to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report high water by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
Now looking at the web.
Oh, that's kind of unexpected. So stuff like that, folks. Okay, that's kind of shocking. Oh my goodness. And it's getting worse. See, it's getting dark. Well, it's getting worse, as you see, folks. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Let's see, folks, it's just getting worse.